Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to disable biometrics in Best Wallet application. So in order to disable or turn off biometrics in Best Wallet, first of all, open the application from your app drawer. Now as you can see that every time I open up the app, it'll ask me to scan my Face ID or biometrics. If you want to disable that, then you'll need to get to the home screen and tap on the settings button at the bottom right hand corner. From the settings interface, toggle off the button right next to biometrics, and this will turn off biometrics or Face ID from your Best Wallet application. Now if you close off the wallet and open it up again, it'll only ask you to enter your passcode. After you type it down, you will then be able to access your wallet for Best Wallet app. So that's how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.